Good afternoon, welcome back to Oven Mitts Without Any Tits. Now, one thing I do keep forgetting to mention is that in the description of all the videos there's a link to a Just Giving page. So we are sort of kind of doing this as like a bit of a charity raiser as well for Copperfield, which is a breast cancer charity, which is obviously where the Oven Mitts Without Any Tits name comes from, because I have none due to cancer. I'm all right now though, don't worry if you're new to the channel, we are all over it, we are all back fighting fit. We are just sort of raising a bit of money for the Copperfield charity as a side effect to doing this. So without further ado, today's recipe is a bit of a favourite of mine. It's banana choc chip muffins. So I've got everything measured out, so let's get cracking. Come on then babies, come on lay down. Come on lay down, good boy. Lay down. So in my bowl I'm going to put 250 grams of plain flour. Into that I'm going to put a teaspoon of baking powder and a half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Now I have already mixed together 3 small eggs and 125 ml of vegetable oil. Now the vegetable oil, you're basically using it instead of butter or any fats. But we also add to the flour mix 100 grams of caster sugar. I say the recipe does actually call for 2 large eggs, but if you haven't got large eggs, 3 small ones will be absolutely fine. So let's give the sugar and the flour a bit of a mix. And then into that I'll add my oil and banana mix and give that a good stir. You can use an electric whisk if you want. Electric mixer. But today I've chose not to. Once that's kind of mixed up, so you don't want to stretch the flour too much, but once it's kind of all congealed together, add in 3 mashed bananas, which I've already done as well. So you add all those in. Give that a mix. Now I've tried a few different recipes for banana muffins. I'm not quite sure, I'll be honest, I can't remember if this is the one that I normally use. It's a new one that I found. I think it is the one that I normally use, but I don't seem to remember doing this. Maybe it's because I was using the electric mixer. I don't know. So I'm going to keep an eye on the dog. See what he's up to. No good, no doubt. So that's quite a nice batter mix, as you can see. And then we'll just add into there 100 grams of choc chips. Now you can actually change the recipe. You can add pieces of fudge into it, you can add dark chocolate, light chocolate, you can even add other bits of fruit if you want, like blueberries, raspberries, whatever. But chocolate and banana goes together like salt and pepper, or salt and vinegar if you don't like pepper. I don't like vinegar, so it probably goes together like, sorry, I don't like pepper, so it probably goes together like salt and vinegar for me. But that is your batter mix. So your next thing is to pop it into your pre-prepared muffin trays, and then once done, it goes into the oven for about 20 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. And it really is easy as that. Easy as that. So I'll get these done. there we go, all filled. I would say when you're doing these, don't fill them more than about about 3/4 full, because otherwise when they rise, they will just kind of like explode over the top. So about 3/4 full is about as much as you need. Maybe it's a little bit less if you can get away with it. But all done in the oven, 20 minutes. Right, let's get these bad boys out. They look really good actually. Let's see. Blow my own trumpet, yes I am, but how awesome do these look? Get them a little bit closer for you. Look at them. Yum yum. So I'll get these on the cooling rack. Ready to eat. I don't know why some of them have kind of like, look at these ones, they've kind of risen to one side. I don't know why they've done that, but hey ho. So there we have it, chocolate banana chip muffins. Now I have to say, they look quite tasty, so once they're cold, I think I'm having that one. So there you go, have a go yourself. Try it with some different things in it, try it with some, let's say some fudge or some little bits and bobs you can find in the baking aisle. Just throw it in, see what happens. It's all about experimenting. So on that note, take care, stay safe, see you soon, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Catch you later.